Hey YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey, today you see the title, see the thumbnail. Let's get to it, man. About to clean the air filters today, man. Real quick, man. It's cold outside today, man. Cars is not being driven, so this is what we doing, man. So right here we got my Mopar 1 filter. Right here we got the K&N filter. This goes on a Durango. And this goes on the SRT Magnum, man. So yeah, we're gonna clean these today. We're gonna use the K&N recharge kit. Do not put oil on this Mopar kit. It's not made for oil. You just spray it down, just let it soak in, and rinse out, man. All right, that's all you do with these, man. This right here, put some oil on this motherfucker. Only on the outside. Only on the outside, man. So I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna do that right now, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little quick video. Also, we're gonna show this too, what we got right here. All right, man, I said I was gonna buy something for the Durango right here. Valve cover breather, man. Yes, some cars come with it. My Magnum come with it. I'm gonna have to show you at the end of this video when I install this, because the Magnum has one that's already kind of built into the car, but the Durango I believe does not. So this right here goes on your oil cap. We're gonna show that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that, man. Also gonna show you the Magnum one too, the difference, and why you need it, and why you need to change it. All right, man. But otherwise, we're gonna get to this right here, man. So let's spray this down right quick. All right, YouTube. Y'all probably remember the old video. I cleaned this already, so we ain't gonna touch that. That's the little net right here. Keep the water off of it, because the Durango do have a vent, which is covered vent now. But once again, I gotta thank my nigga, my boy Marcus, man, for hooking me up with this K&N filter for the 392, because he had it on his old one. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably put a picture of that right now on the video. This Hellcat Durango, I should say. You can't just say Durango, you gotta say Hellcat, man. Yeah, man, we gonna spray this down, man. Clean this up. Cut y'all back on once I'm done. For YouTube, we applied the cleaner, man. I'm letting that soak right now, but look at these two. Yeah. Look at them two. But anyway, we gonna let this soak, which I did, because y'all can see how dirty this is. And all this leaves and stuff stuck to it. So when you rinse out, you want to rinse out from the inside, so you can get all this stuff up out of here. This don't hold that much, because it's not a cotton filter, so it's not gonna hold that much, but it is dirty as hell. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out and set the camera up and get it popping. All right, YouTube, we go ahead and we gonna let these dry. They say let them air dry, sitting out. So I'm pretty sure this probably gonna take about a few hours, man, 4 or 5 hours. Obviously it's cold. Normally I do it in the winter, summertime, sit outside when it's hot outside in the sun, but it's cold out there today. So go ahead, let these dry right here. Probably let them dry for about a good 2 or 3 hours, and you're gonna throw the oil on to this one, then gonna reinstall these, man. Also, while we do that, hopefully it ain't raining later, then we're gonna show you this oil valve cover breather. This is all about right here, man. So, all right, YouTube, we here with the Magnum, man. Like I said, the Magnum have its own valve cover breather right here. As you can see, I just installed a brand new one. I'm gonna show you the old one right here. I could have cleaned it, whatever, but I don't. But this is oil, man. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm gonna let y'all inside here. This is oil. So normally it's routed into here and going back into your engine. You don't want that. It's the same thing like with the oil separator right here. Oil catch can it's routed to go back into your engine, which it dirties up your intake, dirties up your throttle body. So you don't want that. So you want to catch all that. It catches all that oil, like I said, as y'all can see how dirty this is and filthy this is. Like I said, I'm not gonna clean it. I probably could, we gonna clean it. And I'm gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how it turns out. So I probably won't keep buying these, even though these are super cheap. So we're gonna clean this one next. But yeah, man, that's why you need a valve cover breather. And also, like I say, it's used for, and for the Durango, it goes into the what they call that oil. You add the oil at. So like I said, this has a ball in here. It's a ball. I don't know if y'all can see that ball. That ball moves up and down a little bit. But like I said, when the pressure builds up, it releases the oil pressure, and the filter vents it out, man. So it's very good for your engine, man. It's very good for your gaskets, so it doesn't apply too much pressure inside your car for the gaskets, man. So we're gonna go ahead and install this in the Durango. All right, I'm gonna put this in the Durango. If I can see how I get it to fit. Hold on, cuz. Well, it look like they sent me the wrong one. Unfortunately, man. I'm gonna send this back and get another one though. But yeah, it's whatever. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, next clip, we throwing oil in the air filter. And then install. We ain't gonna show the install, but we're gonna throw the oil in the air filter and that's done, man. 2 weeks back, you know what I'm saying? Put the oil on the K&N filter, not the Mopar filter. You know what I'm saying? It's been about a good 4 or 5 hours now it's passed. I'll be in the house, so the cotton filter still slightly damp. This is dry though, you know what I'm saying? So, about to go ahead and put this on. We got the spray. Sometimes it comes with a lube or like a lube, like a tube. But this got the spray, so it's much easier, man. So, about to go ahead and spray this on and get this installed back in the car. Let's go. I don't know if to shake it up or not, but. See that color coming in? I don't know if y'all can see on camera, but that color coming in. I guess it got a red color to it. Good, man. Nice little red color now, tint to it. See if I can bring it to the light. Nice little red tint to it. Good, man. We're gonna wipe off the excess oil and we good, man. So once again, oh yeah, look at the other one that I cleaned. Like the blue color black. So we're gonna keep this. We're gonna keep this and we good, man. So next time all I gotta do is switch it out. We ain't gotta order another one. I might have to put some oil on this. But yeah, man, it's your boy Young Rich 419. Peace.